Do you experience pelvic pain with sitting? I want to show you a technique you can do using two little squishy balls. They're actually like mini basketballs. So before we begin this exercise, we actually do want to sit down to sort of do a body scan and experience what it feels like to sit. Where's their pressure? What sensations are there? And then what we're going to do is we're going to press to feel the bones of our butt so we know where they are. And we're going to place these balls in front. So they're going to be sort of resting on the hamstrings. So they're going to be in front of those sits bones on the hamstrings. And then we're going to see if we can sit fully on the two balls. And this is a great place where we can practice our pelvic floor breathing, right? Because now our pelvic floor is elevated. There shouldn't be any compression. So when we inhale, can we allow the pelvic floor to lower? When we exhale, it should just gently rise a little bit. So it's almost like we're focusing on kind of the anus or kind of that space in front of the anus, and we're just allowing it to relax downward, practicing a couple of nice breaths. Then, if that feels comfortable, we're going to add a little bit of tilting back and forth, 7 to 8 times, just to introduce some movement to the pelvic floor, but without that compression. Then we're going to take one ball out, keeping this side elevated, and we're just going to rock the hip forward and back in a range of motion that feels comfortable for you, 7 to 8 times. Then we're going to take this ball back, put it on, take the other ball out, and rock forward and back 7 to 8 times. Then we're going to place the two balls back. Again, practice a few breaths, allowing that pelvic floor to drop. And then we're going to take the two balls away and sit back down. And what we're going to do is, again, that body scan. Just noticing if it feels lighter, heavier, if you feel more grounded in the chair. Does that change the unpleasant sensations or uncomfortable sensations associated with sitting? And remember, this is a practice of retraining your brain that sitting isn't dangerous, but using novel movements and items to allow you to experience sitting in a very different way. Let me know how you found this exercise by dropping a comment or hitting the like button.